Hello, discrete math fans. Let's talk about proving existential statements. Now, we've talked about this before, that if we want to take a sentence of the form, there exists x and d such that q of x is true. This is true if and only if q of x is true for at least one x in d. We just have to produce one. So one way to prove such a statement is just to find an x that makes q of x true. Or we might be able to give directions or instructions for finding such an x. Now, this is called the constructive method of proof. All right, so let's prove these statements. There exists an integer n that can be written as the sum of squares in two different ways. The other one is, let's suppose that r and s are integers. Let's prove that there is an integer k such that 8r minus 14s is equal to 2k. In part A, we can just demonstrate it. We want to find an integer n that can be written as the sum of squares in two different ways. Here we go. 50 can be rewritten as 1 squared plus 7 squared, and then in a different way as 5 squared plus 5 squared. In part B, we should note that 8r minus 14s can be written as 2 times 4r minus 7s. Now let's let k be equal to 4r minus 7s. We should note that k is an integer, and therefore we have expressed 8r minus 14s as 2 times some integer. And then that's the definition of what it means for that thing to be even. Okay, that's all for now.